Hey Sunny fam, and welcome to your snack-sized core and strength workout. Now if you're looking for a quick workout that's gonna really hit your abs and then you're on your way, this is the place. Let's get going. Today, we're gonna be doing a quick 6-minute bite-sized workout designed for us to get into our shoulder blades, our core muscles, and we're gonna keep that pace up. So it's quick, to the point, it's time to go. We're gonna be using our yoga ball right off the top. Now our first exercise is the supine T-raise. So what I want you to do is come down to your knees with me. Take the ball right underneath your belly button. Make sure that your legs extended, toes down, thumbs up. We're lifting up, and down. I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades back and up as the hands rise. Try and hold that ball still underneath you. We got 2 left. One more. And rest. Beautiful job. All right, we're moving on. So for exercise 2, I want you to start to make your way up onto that ball in a high plank. And the ball's gonna be directly underneath the lower part of your shin and the tops of your shoelaces. From this position, you're pushing the earth away from you, and we're gonna knee tuck starting now, driving in towards the chest and extending all the way out to our starting point. Breathing out as the knees come in. I want you to try and keep your hips low, because if the butt goes way up in the air, we stop using our core and we start overloading our shoulders. Let's work. Pull the knees in as close as you can. Last one. And rest. Then gently come down. Beautiful job. Now as we look forward to exercise number 3, we're going to compound that high plank position. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're coming into a high plank, just holding for stability, chest, core, and shoulder strength. So back on the ball we go. Let's move safely and quickly into high plank, starting this in 3, 2, 1. We're holding 30 seconds. It's not enough to just keep yourself here. I want you to actively push the floor away from you. Squeeze your glutes. Whew. Congratulations, you are now active, and we're holding strong with tight glutes. Hang in there, just a few more seconds. Time and rest. Whew. All right, that is our first round. We're doing 2 rounds of this work. So if that was really kind of shouldery loaded, I want you to just shake out those shoulders for a sec. We're gonna come back into those T-raises. And I want you to start to get yourself ready with your belly on the ball. Here we go. In 3, extended legs. In 2, arms out. Let's go. Second round. And last time we're here. My question to you is, since we've already been here once before, what's one thing that you can do really well in the next 15 seconds? Can you squeeze the shoulder blades back like a boss? Can you never forget to breathe? Do one thing really well. I got one more. Up and time. Great job. 2 exercises left. We're gonna get right into exercise number 2. That's gonna be our high plank with our knee tuck, okay? So start to get yourself ready for me, please. Legs on the ball. Now here are your options. If you need something a little bit less intense, take the ball closer to the knees, and you can do the tucking from here. Ready? Go. So the closer the ball is to your hands, the less intense. And I would say if this is just your level, it's the way to go. If you need more challenge than this version, then you're gonna slide that ball back to the lower part of your shin, even at the tops of your sneakers. Hang in there. I know you feel that in your shoulders. I do too. Last one. And time. Nice work. All right. Shake it out. Shoulders, arms, all of it. You can kind of move the neck around a little bit. If it got a little bit tight up here, just some gentle rolls. And we're gonna get into that last plank hold for our finish. Here we go, friend. Popping up onto that ball. Same idea. You want more challenge? Ball is back underneath the shoelaces. Let's go. The ball is there to ensure that things get uncomfortable. The ball is there to bring instability to your body. So what has to be stable? What has to do the work? It's our belly. It's our stabilizer muscles like our shoulders. And if you have a little bit of shakes, if you're working hard, if you're breathing hard, you're okay. Hang in there for 5 and 4, for 3 and 2, and 1, and time. Great job. Just a little bit over 5 minutes, but I want to say congratulations just like that. A little bit of hard work goes a long way. Thank you so much for working out with me today. If you like this workout, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on all of our new workouts every single week. Feel free to leave a comment and let us know how you did. And let me know if you want to see more workouts like this one.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find more classes from me. I teach kettlebell strength, low impact cardio, and age well classes. Plus, many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you there.